चल रिवान, होम डू यू लव?
तेरा मी माई
दो लाइन से
नहीं
क्या शादी हुई आपकी? होम डू यू लव?
माई पप्पा।
पप्पा नहीं, पप्पी। लव मीन्स हियर गाइस, you should nurture yourself, you should torture yourself, you should evolve yourself, you should create something miraculous, unprecedented in your life. Main target, main motive here, just we need to work upon ourselves. Everyone working themselves, everyone evolving themselves, everyone liking, loving, adoring themselves. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the reality, actuality, factuality. We are working ourselves. If we are working upon ourselves, body language, skill, talent we are creating, one day we are star, we are champion, we are hero of this universe. So guys, this is highly special, auspicious day for everyone who are attending, who are participating this kind of glorious, spectacular debate competition. All right. So today, once more, So today we are going to start once more debate competition. This is the debate really which can shiver, tremble, revolutionized everyone who are candidate, who are debater, who are competitor. Because this is one kind of fighting activity. Here we are fighting to each other. We are beating around the bush. We are coping. We are taking by the bull to each other. Already you have done your preparation. You made some kind of strategy plan in your mind. You are highly prepared. You have elaborative, comprehensive, miraculous kind of practice. Today you have to show your confidence. How much are you excited here? Do you know what is our dream, motive, purpose to debate here, to perform here? Here just we are working upon our body, upon ourselves. That is why we all are coming here. We all are studying, gaining, learning, practicing, achieving, and facing, coping, taking the bull by the horn here. If we are working upon our body, upon ourselves, definitely one day we can become Hira, gold, diamond of this universe, this Brahma, this world, ladies and gentlemen. So our main target, main motive, here just we need to work upon ourselves. Everyone working themselves, everyone evolving themselves, everyone liking, loving, adoring themselves. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the reality, actuality, factuality. You should try to understand. The more faster you are striving to understand these kind of things, you can become, you can evolve yourself. If I ask you question, people, whom do you love most? Whom do you love most? Tell me, guys. Whom do you love most? किससे प्यार करते हो? कोई आपकी महबूबा है? Whom do you love? Whom do you love? Whom? देख रहे हो? रखे हैं सब एक क्या बोलेंगे? Whom do you love? Whom do you love?
My parents.
Whom do you love? देख रहे हो? रखे हैं. Whom do you love? Whom do you love?
माई पप्पा।
पप्पा नहीं, Puppy. My question, that is very simple. What are you doing? Whom do you love? Whom do you love? बता Whom do you love? है तुम्हारे पास भी.
I love my parents. I love my parents.
Whom do you love? Whom do you love? Whom?
No.
Whom do you love? सब रखे हैं. Guys, my question. Rivan, whom do you love?
तेरा मी माई.
दो लाइन से
नहीं.
क्या शादी हुई आपकी? Prince, whom do you love? Whom do you love?
My family.
Your family. Whom do you love?
My brother.
Your brother. If someone asks you a question, whom do you love? Answer is that myself. I love myself. I love myself. I adore myself. What are you doing? Whom do you love?
I adore myself.
I adore myself. Guys, answer is that so simple. You should love yourself.
Yes.
सबसे ज्यादा प्यार मोहब्बत अगर इंसान किसी से करता है तो खुद होता है. क्या है? अपने आप को हम 1000 बार आईने में देखते हैं. अपने आप को हम 1000 बार अपना पैंट. अगर अपने आप से सबसे ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं, उसके बाद फैमिली वगैरह तो है ही है. मुझे लोग फैमिली दे दिए, सही है. So you should love yourself.
Yes.
Love means here, guys. You should nurture yourself. You should torture yourself. You should evolve yourself. You should create something miraculous, unprecedented in your life. How can we become star? How can we rectify? How can we reform ourselves day to day, gradually? If we are working ourselves, if we are working upon ourselves, body language, skill, talent we are creating, one day we are star, we are champion, or we are hero of this universe. So tell me, do you want to become a champion of this world?
Yes.
Yes, Rahul.
Yes sir.
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes sir.
Right. Very good. So here also we are learning, we are improving, we are evolving ourselves. How can, do you know? Next point is that how can you evolve yourself? By making effort. By making effort. By facing challenges, dare, risk. We can evolve ourselves. जहां डर लगती है, लड़ जाओ. डर के आगे क्या है? जीत है. Okay? So the more you are facing crisis, the more you are facing problem, difficulties in your life, the more you are nickering, the more you are evolving yourself. जितना प्रॉब्लम को फेस करोगे, परेशानी उठाओगे, उतना ही क्या बढ़ोगे, आगे बढ़ोगे. क्राइसिस आ रहे हैं, डटकर मुकाबला करना है. If any kind of crisis come in your life, just you need to face this kind of crisis.
Yes sir.
Are you ready?
Yes sir.
Are you ready?
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello respected sir and honorable judges and my all dear friends. Good morning everyone. Today is our debate class and our topic is that nature, artificial versus nature. What topic is but I choose, I adore, I like, I love artificial. Because do you know guys, in this time, in this modern era, without artificial you cannot survive in this era. Without artificial you cannot complete your every work. Without artificial you cannot putting your opinion, you cannot standing here, you cannot riding the bike, you cannot sitting here. Without artificial you cannot every work not complete. Because in this era called artificial era, AI era, in this world called AI world, artificial world, in this time every person always using the artificial, not a nature. Nature is a important, nature is a useful. Some people saying, but artificial, without artificial not complete your nature, not complete your nature, not complete your life, not complete your work. Because artificial thing is the most important thing, most useful thing, most credible, most important thing in everybody life, every person life, every teachers, every student, every doctor, every engineers, every person life, artificial is the most important. Without I stand here, I daily come here in the coaching. Without bike, without artificial thing, I'm not coming in the coaching. Without artificial thing, I'm not standing here. Without artificial thing, I'm not speaking here. Without artificial thing, judges and teachers and all students not sitting here. Without artificial thing, not riding the bike on the road. Without artificial thing, not making the road. Without artificial thing, not making the bike, not making the all things. Without artificial thing, not complete everything, not complete everything. Because artificial, these are very important in everybody life. Because in this era, artificial era, and artificial is a life, artificial is a nature, artificial is a everything, artificial is a some like a everything. Because in this time some people saying in natural is a very important, but 1%, 2%, 2% person are using the natural, but 98% people always using the artificial, not a natural. Always using. You go, you sit, you sleep, you eat, you bath, you everything work complete. Without artificial, not complete. You using the artificial, every person always using the artificial thing, not a natural thing. Without artificial thing, not complete every work. You get sleep, you get eat, you get I stand here, I come here, you are all student coming here by the bike, by the auto, by the car, by the bike, by the cycle. These are also artificial thing, not a natural thing. Also artificial thing. You every day come here, so by the bike. These are also useful and very important every person, everybody life. Without artificial, not complete in your coaching. And you learning here in this coaching, you learning here, you study here, because this is a reason of artificial, not a natural. These are also artificial, not a natural. You study here, you learning here by the Hafiz sir, by the Shaban sir, by the Muskan ma'am, by the all teachers. So these are also artificial thing, not a
Hello, hi, respected teachers, judges, and all my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to express thanks from the bottom of the heart for sir for giving me this golden chance to express my opinion in front of you. So guys, today we are going to debate here a very interesting, mind-blowing topic is that artificial versus natural. My dear friends, I suppose, I adore, I like nature. My dear friends, nature is one of the greatest gifts given to us by God. It gives us oxygen, air, trees, plants, rivers, mountains, sun, sky, moons, etc. Nature gives us water to drink. Nature gives us water to drink, air to breathe, and food to eat, and a beautiful palace to live on the earth. Without nature, no living being can survive on the earth. Major benefits of water, air, trees, plants, sunlight, and a beautiful palace. All these things are precious gifts of our life. Things very important of our life. Without them, we can't living even a single day. Major benefits of water. Water is called elixir of life. It gives us oxygen, 1% our earth covered with water, and only a small portion fit for drinking. Water helps our body hydrated and keeps help in digestion and remove waste. Water helps farming system, food, and like that washing and drinking, etc. My dear friends, without water, there are no would be food and no life and no and our life is how. Major benefits of air. Air is very important in our life. It is individual, but it is everywhere. Air give us oxygen to breathe.